Red alerts, phones buzzing at the same time, across cities, across neighborhoods, across the entire Iran. And then there is a message, short, sharp, and impossible to ignore. The US president is a man of action, wait and see. No name, no number, no explanation. Within minutes, panic spread. Who sent it? Was it really real? Was it a cyber breach? Or was it a psychological warning from Washington? Iran's state media claimed that thousands of citizens they received this mysterious SMS on Monday. A single line but loaded with meaning because the US president right now is Donald Trump. And words wait and see in the middle of a rising tension sounds like advice and more like a threat. Well, the timing could not be more explosive here. Iran is already facing days of nationwide unrest. Students pouring into the streets of Tehran, chanting. They are clashing with security forces. In fact, videos show protests spreading beyond the capital. Young people demanding change. Forces responding with tear gases. Reports of arrests, reports of crackdown, and human rights group. They are warning that the death toll from recent unrest has crossed into thousands. Now imagine this backdrop, ladies and gentlemen, domestic protests, anger on the streets, and suddenly a message hinting at the US actions. Was it a hack? Well, Iran has faced cyber operations before. Was it a rogue domestic group trying to spark chaos, or was it an information operation meant to shake the confidence? Because in modern conflicts, warships is not just missiles, it's messages, it's fear, it is confusion. And yes, at the very same time, reports suggest that the US naval assets are on high alert in nearby waters. A nuclear-powered warship positioned strategically, military systems are all ready. In fact, surveillance is ongoing. Officials say that there is no strike that has been announced, but unofficially, readiness level it appears high. So the question grows louder, was this SMS random or was it signaling something seriously big? Inside Iran, the message triggered speculation. Some feared imminent military attack. Others dismissed it as fake. But in tense environments, perception matters as much as reality. When citizens are already protesting, when trust in institutions is already fragile, one anonymous text, it can ignite anxiety nationwide. But here's where the political layer it adds on. Washington has repeatedly warned Tehran over nuclear ambitions and regional activities. Tehran has vowed retaliation against any aggression here. Well, this is not calm diplomacy, right? This basically is pressure diplomacy. The phrase, wait and see, it now echoes far beyond a mobile screen. It hangs over the region. It hangs over the Gulf. It hangs over every military base, over every post-march, over every protest march. Are we witnessing psychological warfare? Is this an attempt to intimidate? Though there is no clear answer yet, but one thing is certain. The region is tense, the streets are restless, the warships are positioned, and one mysterious message has added fuel to an already burning situation. In geopolitics, sometimes the loudest explosions begin with the quietest notification. And right now the world is watching, the world is waiting, and the world is seeing.